CHP chief investigated over transphobic Facebook post about Caitlyn Jenner. Los Angeles UA California Highway Patrol chief is under investigation after sharing a post on social media that demeaned transgender star Caitlyn Jenner and her gender transition. The investigation into Chief Mark Garrett was initiated Monday after a Los Angeles Times reporter showed officials at CHP headquarters a message that the veteran Highway Patrol supervisor posted on his personal Facebook page. The entry, which Garrett posted in April 2017, shows a photo of Jenner that is overlaid with a transphobic and vulgar message. In bold type on, Jenner, formerly known as Bruce, underwent sex reassignment surgery in January 2017 and transitioned to become Caitlyn, a trans woman. The former Olympic, when confronted about the post, Garrett initially said he did not remember it. "I have no recollection of it," he said. "I am on Facebook." He later acknowledged that he knew the woman who originally posted the image but said he did not recall sharing it or notice the comments that several of his friends added further demeaning transgender people. Garrett said the posting doesn't reflect how I feel or the department's values. "That was a personal Facebook page, and it has nothing to do with the CHP," said Garrett, the chief of the Los Angeles area CHP. The department has launched an investigation into the post and denounced the image. The probe comes as, while the post in question appeared on a personal Facebook page, which CHP policy does not specifically address, the post is not consistent with the department's organizational values, spokeswoman Fran Claytor said. The CHP is an organization of inclusiveness, and any posts made on an employee's personal social media page do not reflect the diversity, views, and background of the more than 11,000 men and women of the California Highway Patrol who work for this department. The Times attempted to contact Garrett on Tuesday and received an automated reply that he would be out of the office through June 25. Julie Callahan, the founder of the T-Cops International transgender community of police and sheriffs, said the posting is obviously offensive and vulgar. But Callahan, a retired San Jose police detective, said the greater problem is the larger message it sends because it was posted by a law enforcement leader. "It is of concern because he has transgender officers in his area," she said. She added that while the CHP says it has no specific policy on personal social media use by officers, many police agencies have adopted strict guidelines on online activity. The New York Police Court of Appeal last year, in upholding a 5-day suspension for a Los Angeles police officer for a remark he wrote on Facebook, said the Los Angeles Police Department had the right to discipline him for his online conduct. Ed Obayashi, a Plumas County deputy and legal advisor, said he is surprised the CHP doesn't have a personal social media policy in place, because it is probably the hottest issue in internal affairs. "That is the best practices standard in the industry, to have a clear social media policy for officers' personal usage," he said. Obayashi said comments of discriminatory nature undermine the very job officers do. Regardless of in recent years, agencies have struggled with officers' use of social media. In North Charleston, a Philadelphia attorney has launched an extensive examination of the private social media accounts of nearly 3,000 law enforcement officers from 8 departments nationwide. The resulting database, copyright 2019 Los Angeles Times. Visit the Los Angeles Times at www.lateams.com. Distributed by Tribune Content Agency, LLC.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.